out a little motion. I don't even know if I want to glue this down. What you guys think? As you guys can see, the hairline is amazing before I even touch it. Let me show you the before I even touch anything. Look at that body.